Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Scrum Day Europe 2025. I hope you're really looking forward to it because today we're going to be tackling a lot of really cool topics. So let's get ready together and have a great day at Scrum Day Europe 2025.
My talk is about gender bias and where it lives, not just in our heads, in our products, but also in AI. And we try to make that visible. This topic is relevant right now because we are building biases in our AI, in our data sets. And since AI is everywhere, we keep amplifying the bias.
Our session is about co-leading in times of turbulence. Co-leadership is all about dancing together to help the room deal with the complexity that is always there.
One highlight that we want the audience to take away is that you can be grounded in such times of turbulence.
Like a beacon on the ocean.
If I can do something, I believe in community, and we have community on every level. A community can be the house, the household, the family, it can be the team that you are in, it can be the organization, or it can be an event like this.
Our session today was about actually a toolkit for product owners and product managers.
This is just a topic that we love talking about, and we love being on stage together and helping others to do their work in maybe a slightly smarter or a slightly more fun way. And I think we definitely achieved that. Describing Scrum Day in 3 words.
Only 3 words. Bringing experts together next to all of the fun stuff.